This bird has been talking to us for the last 5 minutes. This is the third time it stopped and squawked at us today. It is telling us something. We don't know what's wrong with it. If it's got a nest or it's just squawking in general, but it's been going at it for the last 5 minutes. Still talking. I have no clue what you're trying to tell me, bird, but you are trying to tell me something. This is the third time you've stopped today to squawk at me. I have no clue what you're saying, or what kind of bird you are, or anything, but you are loud. Yeah.